Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day I have been looking forward to for so damn long, and you guys as well. Today is the day we're trying to break 1,000 Mustang. We have everything buttoned up, the new turbo kit, everything works. No leaks as of this morning when I let it run for a while. Hopefully we don't find anything on the dyno. If we do, hopefully it's nothing major and we can fix it easily. But right now, it is currently like 9 in the morning. We are gonna go head to our local E-station, get this car topped off, throw it on the dyno, and see if we can make this 1,000 Mustang. Truthfully, I am beyond nervous. Dyno day is always very anxious for me, especially going for such high horsepower numbers every single time I'm on the dyno. So hopefully this car has no issues. It makes the power that we want, and we are able to take the track in one piece. One problem already, the ABS light came on, so something is going up with the ABS system. As you guys know, we did get it relocated, so maybe something isn't plugged in correctly, or maybe it didn't get bled properly. Not quite sure. We're still gonna drive out to Josh's shop and figure it out from there. So we have the car finally on the dyno. Josh is just doing all the base map adjustment stuff because it is on my old map right now and the targets were way too high. So he's just doing some adjustments on that. Very loud on there, but a quick rundown of the setup that we now have on the STI. Fueling wise, we are utilizing the radium hanger, dual pump hanger. We are running 5 35 pumps in there with a full dash 10 and return fuel lines, ID 2600s, and then we have a custom ranch wheel turbo kit with a precision next gen 8085, and that's pretty much the gist of it. Motor-wise, we are obviously utilizing BBR Stage X long block. We have an Exetti triple disc clutch in the car, and that pretty much sums up the big items for here. This hit should be right around 30 pounds.
It's still going. Well, I think I could have waited on cleaning the floors the last couple of days. Fuck, it's like a crime scene in here. Jesus. Well, boys, that's what happens when you build your own car. Remmy's gonna kill me for that one. Bud, this came apart. A connection. And that probably was what was leaking. And then this, obviously, is where the flameage comes from.
Damn.
Like tape of him killing me.
My nut.
What happened here?
You like the double?
Why the fuck I got all the cameras on me, bud? He's probably gonna want to reuse that fuel. You better make sure that hose clean.
Oh, bud,
This shit's expensive. Is that bucket clean?
It was.
God damn. Oh, you got a good fuel filter, bud. Well, I'm gonna go with you didn't get your fuel line in all the way because the tip of it is out, and that's where our fuel leak was coming. That's why I started smelling fuel.
Well, as you guys saw, and I ended up actually recording what happened. I didn't think I was. I kind of forgot everything that happened when the car caught on fire. It's just, I don't know. It happened so quick. I was not thinking. Did not even think I recorded it, but I'm looking through the footage right now, and I did. I set on the camera for the past couple hours just because, one, I'm extremely disappointed in myself. That should have never happened. It could have been so much worse than it is, so I'm thankful it's not that bad. I could have burned Josh's entire shop down, hyper blue, customer cars. It could have just been a horrible nightmare, and not even mentioning I could have almost killed all of us. So it is a huge bummer. That's why I just set on the camera to kind of just take it all in. But it is Thursday night, and we were trying to get my car racing Saturday and Sunday. It's a two-day event. I don't know exactly what's going to happen right now. Obviously, after that fire, and there was a lot of fire retardant in this shop. So right now, Chase and I, thankfully, is helping me. We are clearing the entire shop out, cleaning everything because everything was just a ginormous mess. The STI is covered interior and out. But I'm very thankful that no major harm was done. It's all fixable. So right now we're just cleaning out Josh's shop, and then I'll pick you guys up maybe later. I don't know if it's gonna end out the video just because my spirits are not as high as they were anymore. It was, I don't know. I did not like that experience whatsoever, but right now we are cleaning the shop. Chase is helping me, and I'll pick you guys up once we have another update. I apologize for the remaining of the video. Something happened with my camera after the fire situation, and for some reason it was like super framey and glitchy. Do not know exactly what happened. I'm pretty sure like I dropped and threw my camera just because I was not worried about filming it. I was worried about making sure everything was okay. So something got damaged, but I hope you guys still enjoy.
Well, guys, a couple hours later, the shop is all cleaned out. Let me turn on the lights for you guys. Shop is all cleaned out. Everything's looking good. And we managed to get something that actually works. Here's old girl. I don't know where Remmy's at. He's over there recording on his phone. This ain't good enough, buddy. Ah! Oh my God.
Alright guys, amazingly enough, it is way later on the day now. It's starting to get dark out. We have the STI all cleaned up, fixed, and we're throwing it on the dyno yet again to try to make this 1000 Mustang, because we are leaving for racing tomorrow, and Josh is very dedicated, as am I, to have this car ready and make all the power. Today has somewhat been like a nightmare of events, so I'm really hoping now everything goes smoothly. We're able to make the power, we don't hurt anything in the process, and we're able to enjoy racing this coming weekend. So right off the bat, we're already doing pretty damn well. We just made 724 Mustang numbers at right around 34 PSI, I think it was. So far, this setup is way outperforming the old setup. Obviously, we had a hurt turbo then, but I'm excited. We're at like, I forget, we're very low in the wastegate duty cycle and stuff like that. So we have lots more room to go. So far, things are looking good, but knock on wood. Up on camera, but that was gnarly. Holy shit, guys, take a look at this. This is Mustang numbers yet again. Fuck. Well, I have some bad news for you guys. We hit the relief point on the pumps, which means our fuel system is effectively maxed out, which is a huge bummer. We really wanted to break 1000 Mustang. Regardless, we're over 1000 dyno jet. So that's still very impressive in itself. But like we knew, we were playing with fire if this fuel system would be big enough to get us past that 1000 Mustang mark. It looks like 911 is gonna be pretty much where we're gonna be tapped out. That's on 60 pounds. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera if anything changes. Well guys, it is way later in the day now. It is currently almost 1 a.m. Truthfully, I was not going to post this video whatsoever. One being, it is extremely embarrassing, and I don't know, I can't describe the words of how I feel with what happened today. Should have never ever happened in the first place. So I can't put the words together to describe that. I'm just very happy it did not go any worse, that everyone was okay. The car is not that badly damaged. We were able to, as you guys see, get it back onto the dyno after a few hours of work, but it could have went south very quick. As you guys can see in the video, the fire was growing and growing at a pretty damn rapid rate, obviously, with it being involved with the fuel system failure. It's a very dangerous game. It is an awakening moment for me, for sure. So I can't really accumulate words to describe this, but I wasn't going to post this like I mentioned, but something I strive for with YouTube, with you guys, as I'm learning. This is my first big build in general I've ever done. I want to bring you guys along, even with my most embarrassing failures, and this immediately jumping to number one on that list. So I'm posting this even though deep down I know I probably shouldn't and I do not want to, but I'm posting it anyway because I want to be as truthful and real to you guys as possible. I'll show you guys all my success, and major failures along the way here. But we did make over 1,000 horsepower, which is absolutely insane. I know right now it doesn't seem like I'm really that excited. Some things did happen. I will make a part 2 video about this. I'm not really feeling making that video right now, but I just thought I'd pick up the camera, tell you guys what happened, that this should never have happened in the first place, but everyone is okay, thankfully. Nothing was majorly damaged. Any damage was caused to my car and my car directly. Nothing else, which is a very, very good thing, because I would hate to have damaged something that is not mine when it was a complete and utter mess up on my end. But for all you haters that always like commenting some bullshit on my stuff, stop. I'll just delete it. I do not care to see stuff like that. I'm trying to be as truthful as possible to you guys, so I'm posting this anyway. So if I see all your negative comments, I'll be deleting it. Simple as that. But I thought I would show you guys what happened. Now, this is a video I never thought I would ever make in a million years. It's absolutely wild to see my car on fire. Truthfully, I did not think it would go out. I thought I was going to watch my car burn down and take the shop with it. As you guys can see, in part of the clip of the car catching on fire, I start undoing the straps for the car because I was trying to push it out of the shop to at least burn to the ground outside on pavement and not take a ton of other stuff with it. But the fire kept escalating and engulfed my face. So I decided that was not the best idea. A lot of fire extinguishers, thankfully a lot of neighbors. Ours were not enough. We were able to get it out and no major harm was done. But make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll be making a part 2 video on this. I'll show the damage that the car endured, and yeah, a full part 2 video. I cannot get into it right now. I am too mind numb at this point. Also, it's been like a 14-hour day for me, so I'm quite exhausted. Like I said, I wasn't going to make this video for you guys, but I want to have it up as soon as possible for you guys. So I'm out here editing late at night to get this video up for you guys. I hope you guys still enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.